where the Capital Markets Authority Chief Executive Officer Paul Muthaura has been appointed the chairman of the Africa and Middle East Regional Committee, AMERC, of the International Organization of Securities Commission for the term of 2018 to 2020. Muthaura takes over the chairmanship from the long-serving Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. The AMERC chair position strengthens Kenya's voice on the global stage to inform policy and regulatory standards formulation and its impact on developing capital markets. The confidence and support shown by Muthaura's election serves as a significant boost to Kenya's aspiration for Nairobi to become an international financial center in line with the ambitions of the Vision 2030 economic blueprint. Well, congratulations to Mr. Muthaura there. Moving on, mobile phone service provider Safaricom is piloting a social messaging app that will link to its mobile money platform in an attempt to move the company into the application business. While the platform, dubbed Bonga, meaning chat in Swahili, will be integrated with M-Pesa to enable almost 28 million of its users to communicate beyond sending money to one another, transforming the platform into a type of social network. The concept has similarities with China's top social messaging app, WeChat, where users can perform a variety of tasks from payment to ride-hailing without leaving the platform. The introduction of Bonga is part of Safaricom's strategy to boost revenue and diversify from offerings of voice calls, mobile money, and text messages. Last year, Safaricom launched Masoko, an e-commerce platform. Its first half 2017 results showed revenue from mobile money rose 16%, while revenue from phone calls rose by far less, by 4% only. Kenyan entrepreneurs interested in the laundry industry are set to benefit from the launch of a commercial laundromat by Alliance Laundry Systems, the US-based world leader in commercial laundry. Urban centers have been targeted with laundromats for what Alliance Laundry Systems terms as having the highest profit potential. According to Tim Bacon, Director for Middle East, Africa and India, a fast-growing demand for laundry services and products cannot be underestimated in Kenya.
I think it's a key part of the decision. The business environment is conducive to laundromats at the moment. The middle class is significant, it's growing, and I believe that because there is a need that's unfulfilled, the time is completely right for us to venture into the Kenyan market. In terms of the laundromats, basically the existing laundry needs in Kenya are either done by hand washing or by people having a machine in their home, neither of which are really optimal. So the time is right, we believe the market is right.
Well, to some tech